Sound is amazing. It affects the brain like no other sense. It creates electrical impulses that dance from synapse to synapse. It sends shivers shooting up and down your spine. It makes the hairs on the back of your neck reach for the heavens. The soaring peaks and plunging troughs of sound waves are as vital as they are beautiful. To us at Sennheiser, they are everything. We have always been driven by an insatiable lust to capture and reproduce sound as perfectly as possible. We push, we prod, we pull apart, we redesign, we redefine. Nothing should be sacrificed. No sound should be lost. Nothing should be merely good enough. Excellence in sound is the be-all and end-all. The more you pursue sound, the more you discover the wonders it has to offer. We've been advancing the science of sound every minute of every hour of every day for 70 years. And we're not ready to stop. Sennheiser, the pursuit of perfect sound.